Muhammad from Sri Lanka.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
I hope you are doing well.
Alhamdulillah.
Sheikh, my wife is a medical student and her college requires a prescribed surgical outfit in the operation theatre. The uniform is baggy but doesn't fully cover her neck and forearms. This has been the practice for many years, and the Muslim Majlis, which is in the college, couldn't change it. After becoming a doctor, she can reserve her own sterilized scrubs, allowing a more covering outfit with the hijab. Since she can modify the current uniform, will she be sinful? What's the ruling in Islam?
Yes, she is sinful. She is not allowed to enter such exams or studies if it requires her to expose her body. What will you do tomorrow if they require her wearing a bikini? A'udhu billah. Yani, what are our red lines that we would not go beyond? We have to stay firm on our religion, akhi. And this is not an issue of life and death. So no, she's not allowed to go to such exams.